This is a little mini album I've made for my sister's 60th birthday coming up. I just wanted to share it with you. It was just too much to take all the pictures, so this is quicker. So this is the front, and I've just did a bit of stamping, a bit of printing off, layering out the butterflies and stuff. It's closed by a ribbon, and one side opens and you have a wee pocket which you can pop in tags, or I have stenciled on the back of this, stamped some, layered up the butterfly and added ribbon, and you could add a photograph, a person's name or whatever you wanted. I printed off inside this to say our 60th birthday. In the centre you get a lovely wee lift the flap, which I've added a wee pull ribbon to, and have a beautiful day. At the top there you could add the person's name in big letters if you wanted. This will be to hold photographs of my sister's birthday party. She's having a big party and I cannot get over for it because she's in England and I'm over here, so it's impossible. So this is like a wee waterfall, and it's for storing all the photographs of the evening. So I wrote special people and beautiful moments, and there's just loads of space to add your photographs, lots and lots of areas, and a wee bit of writing or whatever you want to do. Underneath a stamped smile. The papers are beautiful. They're from Nitwits. At the bottom, just have a lovely day. Again, you can put dates or whatever you fancy, you know. And at this side there's a wee pocket again, and I've stamped happiness is wonderful memories, and I've made a wee folio book for smaller photographs of like groups of people or special people who turn up on the night, and a few wee stamped sentiments to add a wee bit to it. So that is it. I'll be wrapping this all up in nice tissue paper and sending it off to Ursula in time for her big birthday. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching. Bye.